Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you own a Buick with a VVT engine, so P0010 points to a problem in the intake camshaft position actuator circuit. That's a mouthful, I know. In simpler terms, your car's computer, the engine control module or ECM, has detected an issue with the electrical circuit for the intake camshaft position actuator solenoid. This solenoid is a key part of your Buick's variable valve timing, or B. UBE. D. System. The VVT system adjusts the timing of your engine's valves to improve performance and fuel economy. When the circuit for the intake side has a problem, the ECM flags it with P0010. This means it's not a mechanical timing issue, but an electrical one. Now, what are the common culprits behind this code? The number one cause, especially on these engines, is low or dirty engine oil. The VVT system uses oil pressure to work, so if the oil is low, old, or sludgy, the actuator solenoid can't function correctly. It's the first thing you should always check. The next most common issue is the solenoid itself. These solenoids can get clogged with debris from dirty oil, or they can simply fail electrically over time. Another potential cause is a problem with the wiring or connectors leading to the solenoid. Wires can get frayed, corroded, or broken, and connectors can become loose or filled with dirt and oil, disrupting the electrical signal. And in some rare cases, the issue might lie within the ECM itself. But you should always rule out the other possibilities first, as this is the least likely and most expensive fix. So, you've got the code. What are the symptoms you might be noticing? Besides the obvious check engine light, you might experience rough idling. Your car could feel shaky or unstable when you're stopped at a light. You might also notice poor engine performance, like a lack of power when you're accelerating. Your car might feel sluggish or hesitant. Another big one is a decrease in fuel economy. If you're suddenly making more trips to the gas station than usual, this P0010 code could be the reason why. In some cases, your engine might even stall, especially at low speeds. These symptoms all point back to the VVT system not being able to properly adjust the camshaft timing. Alright, let's get to the good part. How to fix it. First things first, check your oil. Pull out the dipstick. Is the level low? Is the oil dark and sludgy? If it's low, top it off. If it's dirty, an oil and filter change is your cheapest and easiest first step. Use the correct oil weight specified for your Buick. A lot of times, this simple step alone will solve the problem. If the oil is fine, your next step is to inspect the intake camshaft position actuator solenoid. It's usually located on the top or front of the engine, right on the valve cover. Check the wiring harness and connector going to it. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. A little bit of contact cleaner on the connector pins can sometimes do wonders. If the wiring looks good, the next logical step is to test the solenoid itself. You can do this with a multimeter by checking its resistance. Compare your reading to the manufacturer's specifications. You can also try applying 12 volts directly to the solenoid S-pins to see if you can hear it click. Just unbolt the old one, pop the new one in, reconnect it, and you're good to go. Remember to clear the code with a scan tool after the repair and take the car for a drive to make sure the light stays off. If you've done all this and the code still comes back, it might be time to check for a more complex wiring issue or consult a professional to look at the ECM. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this guide helps you tackle that P0010 code on your Buick. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more car repair guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or have dealt with this code yourself. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.